Hello there, Sam here, and welcome to SpyFall. First, let me tell you what SpyFall is. SpyFall is a party game that can be played with 4 or more players. At the start of each round, all of the players receive a role and a location. Everyone's location is the same, but the roles are different. Now, there's one player who gets chosen to be the spy. The spy doesn't know the location or the roles of the group, but the job is to find out the location. If the spy guesses the location of the group, the spy wins. If the group guesses who the spy is, the group wins. You achieve this by taking turns in asking questions to one another that you might think would be revealing about who the spy is, or in the spy's case, what the location is. Alright, let's see it in action. On the landing page, you'll be greeted with 3 main options. We'll get to the others in a second, but first, let's check out the How to Play section. Here, you'll learn about how to play the game in great details. But in order to start playing the game, you'll need an account. Let's sign up. Let's create the demo account for the purpose of this video. As you can see right here, we take password security very seriously. You'll have to fulfill all the criteria before you can sign up. Alright, our account has been created, and this is our profile page. From here you can do pretty much anything, from joining into any pre-existing game rooms to creating your own. You can hide the list of the rooms if you want as well. Alright, let's create a game room now. As you can see, it requires a name and a password to create a game room. The system checks if there is an existing room with the same name. You get to choose the number of players you'll be playing with. Let's check 4 for the purpose of this demo. And the room is created. Now, we're at the waiting room or the lobby area. Here we'll wait for the other players to join in. As you can see, players from different devices with different names are logging into their respective accounts. The host has shared the room and the password with the other players so that they can join into the room. Here, we can see that the players can view recently created room under the Rooms section. And upon entering the password, they will be added to the lobby. Let's take a look at the players joining in the lobby one by one and how that happens in real time. Here, we get to see each of the players joining in the lobby sequentially, and the host view being updated instantaneously as well. Upon the arrival of the 4th and last player, all of the players are then redirected to the actual game room. In the game room, you'll get to see the room name, the host name, along with the location and the role you have been assigned. Notice how every location is the same, but the roles are different as mentioned previously. The game room also has a timer, and each of the players can see a list of all the players who are in the game room with them. In our case, the host happens to be the spy. Now, both the host and the spy would have different UI features. In case of the spy, we can see that a spy doesn't have a location. Rather, a list of the locations that he has to choose from while trying to figure out what the actual location is. In terms of the host features, we can see that the host has an endgame button that the others don't. Let's suppose we're done with the game for now. Let's see what happens when the host ends the game. And there it is. There's a prompt from the browser to every player saying that the host has ended the game. Some other changes in the UI also includes the timer being replaced by a game over text. Now, there's a button on the host side named Reveal Roles. Notice how that did not appear until the host ended the game. Let's reveal the roles now. And at that very moment, another prompt appears to everyone asking to click the OK button to see the roles. This was done to prevent the host from gaining unfair advantages in the game. This way, everyone gets to know in real time what the host is doing. Upon clicking the OK prompt, everyone is redirected to the reveal page, where everyone gets to see the role of all the players in the room. Once that is done, each of the players get to go back to the profile page as they please. Here, they can play again or choose to log out. Now, just as a bonus feature, let's say you logged out and someone wishes to use your SpyFall account while you are away. Let's say they click the back button on the browser. Well, as you can see, they can't. Once you hit the logout button, the browser destroys the session, as it should. And the system prompts the user to log in again and redirects the user to the login page. And this concludes our journey of the game. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Hoping to see you in our game rooms. I'm Malik Tidarsayum, signing off.